Bale again. 2 minutes to go. Bale shoots! Oh, what a goal! Bale! What a fantastic strike! And Wales are right back on the World Cup trail thanks to their man in a million, Gareth Bale.
But I could be so much worse. They say I'm hedonistic and a bit too extrovert. So I'm positively sadistic, but I could be so much worse.
Gareth Bale, gobaith mawr Cymru. Ac mae Bale! A mae Gareth Bale yn rhoi Cymru ar y blaen. A mi allwn ni ddeud ag un llais. Gareth Bale, mae deunydd, mae holl lawenydd y not.